Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Wanted to showcase a 420 Outrage from Boston Whaler we're preparing for a customer that's going to take delivery later this week. I just kind of want to take the chance and walk you guys through it a little bit. So I'm up here at the bow and I wanted to kind of showcase the forward area here. So you have this nice drop table here that goes up and down with a push of a button that turns into a sun lounge, as well as a table once you pop the cushions off. You have forward seating backrests that pop out right here in the back here. And as we spin around here, we've got this forward lounge, huge lounge, independent armrest for each person. And if you look up top here, we've got the optional flybridge tower on this one. So it's a beautiful boat. This customer optioned it very heavily for fishing. So you've got the big outriggers, you've got the FLIR, the radar system. It's all with the upper station here. As you can see, huge freeboard as you move across. He's also got the optional curtains, which we'll show you inside the cockpit here in a second. Alrighty, now that we're in the cockpit, I want to kind of showcase the full Marine display here. You've got the triple screens. You can do all your engine data, all your stereo controls, all your digital switching through here as well. This boat is equipped with Seakeeper, as well as heat and cool. You got Seakeeper control up top there. We have our technician Tim here. He's going to showcase the iPad that comes with the boat. This can do and control all the systems on board. So as you can see the interior. You control the lights, the AC, see what the voltage is bringing, as well as move to the cockpit, change all the lightings, all the systems, control everything remotely. And again, this comes included with the 420 Outrage. Thank you, Tim. We're going to showcase down here in the cabin real quick. Nice big tall entry. You've got dedicated rod storage above, as well as a convertible table that pops up, and as well as has a filler cushion. This customer opted for additional VHF, and as well as there's a docking station for the iPad. You have your kitchenette here with a TV above, as well as a refrigerator below. Nice huge shower. So they've done a nice little touch where they've integrated the shower head into the head panel here. And a nice big wide entry for your head. So this is a wet head, but as well as you can see, they've trimmed it very nicely. Huge entry points. There's your lit steps. Tons of natural light. So there's windows throughout, a huge skylight above. And then as well down low, there is windows throughout. Showcase the cockpit a little bit. So you got the triple helm chairs, and just behind it you have a triple bench seat that converts to a summer kitchen. So we'll kind of showcase that later if we're able to, but we want to get Tim on his way. We've got the quad 350 Mercury Verados on the back of here with joystick control, as well as genset, and again I mentioned the Seakeeper earlier. You have a nice big pop-out bench seat in the back here, big walk-through side door, as well as a drop-in set of ladders for diving. Refrigerator, freezer in the back, and as well as that summer kitchen would convert right there. And there's also an optional additional set of seating that pops out of the gunnel there. Huge fish boxes throughout. Nice walkable transom across the back. And here's our profile shot of the fins up. This 420 will be kept here in the state in South Carolina. And again, he's done the optional hardtop tower, which we'll take a look up there in a second. Now that we got the enclosure wide open, you can see that strata-glass is super clear, ultra visibility as you go out. But beautiful style lines from the 420 Outrage. Alrighty folks, that concludes our tour of our 420 Outrage. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please feel to reach out to your sales associates at MarineMax Charleston. Over there on Daniel Island, if you guys have any questions, you can reach us at 843-747-1889. And again, thank you guys for joining us.